Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will study about the two main phases of photosynthesis, that is the light dependent phase and the light independent phase. So starting with the first one, that is the light dependent phase. Now do you know that it is also known as photochemical phase? Why it is so? Because photo means light and chemical means some chemical reactions are occurring in this phase. So this phase, for this the light plays a very important role, and this light, it initiates a series of chemical reaction. As you can see, many chemical reactions, they are taking place. So this, where does it occurs? It occurs in the thylakoids. Very important, because the chlorophyll is present in the thylakoids of the chloroplast. So it's point to remember that the light dependent reaction, it occurs in the thylakoids. So you know that the water, the plants, they are absorbing water from the soil through the roots, and they are getting the light energy from the sun. So sunlight energy is also playing a very important role. So this light dependent reaction, it occurs in two main steps. So one is the activation of the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll which is present in the thylakoids, it gets activated. So how it gets activated? Because it's absorbing the sun radiation, sunlight, the photons from the sunlight, they are activating the chlorophyll. So then this energy, it is utilized for this water which is present to convert, to split out the water molecule. The water molecule, it gets splits out. Here a molecule of this oxygen is formed, which is given out from the plants, and hydrogen is also there, and electrons are also given out. So here the splitting of the water, it is known as photolysis. As you know, photo means light and lysis means splitting. So water molecule, it gets split up into hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons are produced in the presence of light, and where it is occurring? In the grana or the thylakoids. So here what happens is this, the NADPH. Now very important students, in your 10th exam you get full forms, so you must underline the full forms wherever they are coming, like ATP, ADP, NADP, NADP